12.
Hi guys, welcome back. So if you're new here, this is a space where I love creating videos about my natural hair, lifestyle, and mommyhood. So if it's your first time on my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other uploads. Alright, so jumping right into the video. If you're watching this, you're probably in the same boat as me, struggling to keep your toddler entertained during quarantine. So this is a list of tips and tricks that I've been using the last few weeks that I found Jameson really enjoys and keeps coming back to. So my first tip is to pull out the coloring book. It's so simple yet so fun, and it's probably one of our most used items, and it truly never gets old in our house. This next tip is to play with learning flashcards. We have 3 different sets. We have words, numbers, and letters, and I just let him pick whichever one he wants to do for the day. And it's so fun. It's something that we can do together, but it's also something that he can practice on his own and entertain himself. Okay, so this next activity has been such a big hit. He absolutely loves this game, and it's something that keeps his hands busy while it's also great for learning and counting. One of the main things I really like about this is that it's really just using everyday items that you can find around your house. This is just like a blender bottle that we already had and some cotton balls. So this is an activity that you really shouldn't even have to go out and buy supplies for. Then when he fills it up all the way, I just dump it out and he can start all over again.
Woo! Good job!
Okay, so when quarantine is over, we are going to be ready to join somebody's team because we've been getting so much use out of this, more now than ever, but it's been so much fun. Jameson absolutely loves anything where he can just run around, so this has been a great help in keeping him active. Now, if you don't already have a basketball hoop in your home, you can really just get creative and make your own, even if you have like a laundry basket and even like a ball of paper. So this next tip is getting your kiddo outside for some fresh air. It's definitely been warming up lately, and this is something new I started doing when the weather permits, of course. I try to take him for walks when I can, but another alternative, especially if you're having a busy day with work, just go out on your porch or patio and enjoy a snack. Normally Jameson is full of energy, but I was so surprised how calm and laid back he was just by, taking him along with me outside and enjoying the scenery in the neighborhood. So this next tip is something else that I don't think you would have to run out to the store for. It's painting with water. So super easy, super mess free. I literally just took some construction paper and just a couple drops of water, and I did not have a paintbrush, so I just let him use an old makeup brush I didn't care about, and he literally loves doing this activity. This next tip does involve a little bit of screen time, but it's actually educational and he enjoys it so much. So this program is called ABC Mouse, which I recently found out about through Facebook. It has reading, math, science, and a lot more, but it also has a tracking feature to see your child's progress over time. So I really like that. It is subscription based, but I do like that you can use it in an app or online, so you can pretty much take it anywhere with you. And there you have it. Those are my best tips for keeping your toddler busy during quarantine. Leave a comment down below and let me know what are you guys doing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.